Hey, roll one up before we watch this.
What? I thought you had Esca. I don't got Esca.
You ain't got no bud? How you gonna come over, my boy, and you gonna be dry? I mean, come on,
Well, you
man.
just said get blunts, compa.
Lucky for you, man. We got the hood. Let me go ahead and place an order real quick. Oh, shoot. Yo. Bet. Alright. The hood is here. That's it. Fast delivery. Talking about the hood. We're not talking about Pizza Hut, man. We're talking about Bud Hut. See that fly pizza box right there, hot and ready. Got some of that cotton candy. Come on, my boy, roll that up, chick.